This creator gained nearly 100,000 followers with upload 100 posts. The crazy thing is that one video goes to nearly 80 million views. What is the secret? People are really getting addicted to watching these videos. These videos are super satisfying to watch and refreshing. The ASMR gameplay is so calming. You just feel like watching it. There's also that little bit of curiosity about what's going to happen next. Because of all these reasons, people actually like to watch these videos from start to finish. So I found a YouTube channel in this niche. Right now, they're almost at 250,000 subscribers, and all they've uploaded are time-lapse videos just like this. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these 30 to 40-second time-lapse videos using only free AI tools, spending just around 10 minutes. I've even created a master prompt for you. With just that one prompt, you can do this whole thing super easily. Today, I'll teach you everything: how to do the image generation, how to do the video generation, and also how to edit the final video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. First, come to ChatGPT. You can use any website you like, but today I'm using ChatGPT. Next, copy this master prompt. I've put the link to this doc with all the links in the description, so you can grab it from there. Then come back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt and send it. ChatGPT will now give you all the prompts you need to make your entire video nice and organized, just like this. For scene 1, you'll get the image prompt, and you'll also get the motion prompt to animate it. It will do this for every single scene, in order, and if you want, you can also make changes to this prompt and add more scenes. Alright, let's first see how to generate the image for this image prompt. For this, we're going to use this website called Google Flow, and the best part is, it's 100% free. So first, sign up, then click on New Project. Right away, you'll see we get 50 free credits per day. That's more than enough for us. First, set up the settings in the box below like this. Select Image. Select 9:16 aspect ratio. Pick the AI model you like, and select one picture. Now come back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for your first scene. Then paste it here and hit Generate. After about a minute, you'll get a result like this. Next, click on this drop-down icon here, then click Animate. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the motion prompt for your first scene. Come back here and paste it. Then hit Generate. After a few minutes, you'll get an amazing video clip. Do the exact same thing for all your remaining scenes. Use this website and the rest of the prompts to generate all the images and video clips. Okay, now I'm generate all of my video clips according to my prompts from this website named Google Flow. If your credits are 0, you can upgrade this or wait till tomorrow because these credits are refreshed daily. I've already generated all of my videos. Here they are. Now I'm going to download them, so you go ahead and download yours too. Alright, now let's see how to edit our video using CapCut. First, import all the video clips you downloaded into CapCut. Then add the clips to the timeline in order, starting from scene 1, just like this. If you like, you can hit play and preview it like this. First, let's add some transitions to these video clips. To do that, go to Transitions at the top. Since we want this to look natural, pick a simple transition that fits. Just drag and drop it between the video clips like this. Add the transition between all your video clips this way. Next, to give the video a little natural look, I'm going to go to Filters at the top and choose a filter that has a natural vibe. I'm going to apply it to the whole video like this. Now you can already see the video has a much better look. After that, if you want to add natural sound to this, it's super easy. Just go to Audio, pick a sound from here with no copyright, and add it to the timeline like this. And that's it. Our video is done. Now click export and export the video to your device. I'm sure today's video was really helpful for you. To keep learning videos like this, stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Alright then, I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next one.